Breaking news. Kanu's case meets a new twist as Kanu's prosecution cannot proceed without the federal government showing he was legally extradited to Nigeria. You and I know that Kanu was adopted into the country because even the Attorney General of the Federation cannot tell Nigerians how he came into the country. Remember, the North, gave what do they call the money now? On Kanu, that anyone who could bring him or who could get him into the country would be given a very huge amount of money, hundreds of millions of, is it dollars now or naira? And so on hearing that, a neighboring country, Kenya, heard of it. And when Kanu was there for whatever reason, I don't know, he was snatched, like we've heard part of the stories, and illegally brought into Nigeria. Nigerian government is trying him but has never told anybody how they got him into the country. So it still remains very bleak, unclear, uncertainty surrounding that vicinity. And if we're saying we're going for justice, then let us start the justice at the point of justice. First of all, how did he get into the country? What were the extradition's terms, or how did it happen? These are part of the things we are looking at. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. Biafra. Kanu's persecution can't proceed without federal government showing how he was legally extradited to the country. It has to be legal for the judgment to continue. Alore Ejamako, special counsel to detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nandi Kanu, yesterday said the federal government cannot prosecute the leader of IPOB until it convinced Nigerian courts and Britain that he was legally extradited to Nigeria. He said both Nigerian law and international chapter to which Nigeria is a signatory forbids kidnapping of persons by government. He said in the case of Nnamdi Kanu, the Nigerian government has not disclosed Nnamdi Kanu's claim that he was adopted in Kenya, tortured, and brought to Nigeria in chains, which is illegal. According to Ejemaho, Nigeria must first explain to her domestic courts and the international community, particularly Britain, how Kanu ended up in Nigeria in chains. This is because a basic condition proceeded without which prosecution Nnamdi Kanu cannot ensure. Part of Ejemafo's statement reads, following the sudden appearance of Nnamdi Kanu in the Federal High Court in Abuja on 29 June 2021, the Attorney General of the Federation at a press conference on the same date stated that Nnamdi Kanu was intercepted through collaborative effort of Nigeria intelligence and security services. He added that recent steps taken by the federal government shows to the Interpol that the fugitive Kanu on Sunday, the 27th day of June 2021, beyond this blend use of words, interceptions, neither the Attorney General nor any other Nigerian officer has explained how and where this infamous interception occurred, or whether it occurred under the pretense a legal framework or not. From published accounts, all effort by media, domestic, international, to elite details of the interception have met a stubborn official silence. And it appears that the same is true when mere diplomatic inquiries issued to Nigeria from the international community, notably from the United Kingdom and the United Nations, got no response. Convincingly, Nnamdi Kanu had various sworn statements giving credible accounts and details that prove that the so-called interception is simply that he was officially kidnapped, disappeared, tortured in Kenya, and extradited to Nigeria without due process. So this is what is happening now. If anything is going to happen, if things are going to move fast, if we're going to know what's going to happen next, they have to tell us what is happening. How did Nnamdi Kanu got to Nigeria? How? What happened? How did it get here? What were the terms and conditions? How did this happen? Because Nigerian government has not been able to tell. And so they need to let the world know. Without that, there is no place called justice. If you want to talk about justice, truth, then you must take the bull by the horn, start from where the matter of justice starts from. Because I seriously wonder why we have very learned personalities, some of them like the vice president, in position of authority, who knows and understand the ambience of the law, if there is one in Nigeria, and citizens for whom they were, from whom they were citizens for who they were elected to serve, do not tell Nigerians, do not protect the individuals. I'm not saying Nnamdi Kanu has done wrong or right, but let us call a spade a spade. Let us take the bull by the horn. Let's do the right things. Let's move on, first of all, from whether Nnamdi Kanu is a criminal or not. And let us start from the federal government telling us what has happened or how, okay, he got to Nigeria from the first point of call. Let's get that point settled. Then we can proceed to the courts where we go for, say, justice. Because as it stands, there's no point called justice at this point in time. You want to persecute a man you illegally extradited to Nigeria? Come on. Come on. You are in the wrong. You're trying to correct somebody. How does that, how does it work? You are in the wrong. You want to correct somebody. I thought you would have been right to be able to stand in the place of affirmative to say you were wrong. This and this and this are the jurisdiction. This is the law you've broken. And this and this and this is why this is being done. You cannot go and extradite somebody that you kidnapped and come here and tell us you want to infer justice. What is the justice? There's no justice in that regard. You are in the wrong yourself. So welcome to Nigeria, where some people are the law themselves. The law, literally the law. Okay, where individuals tell you what the law should be and they are the law. Okay, part of what is making the society and the country what it is today. Leave us a comment. We'd really love to hear from you. Please don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. God bless. Have a good day. Bye for now.